Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
अप्रोच तो यही है कि हम अपने किरदारों को अच्छी तरह से जानें, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हम तीनों के बीच में जो रिश्ते हैं उनको भी प्रॉपर्ली हम समझें, तो फिर वो बिल्ड करना आसान हो जाता है.
I'm in awe
That's
of how
a
you
very
put
nice
it. Yeah,
answer,
that's
yeah.
such a nice answer. I'm just in awe of him.
We
I
can't
was just,
follow that.
We
Next
can't
time let us
follow that up.
answer
Yeah,
first.
maybe we should, because I say he's nice boy, a good boy, very nice acting, very good experience.
वो बात नहीं करती, बस she meows at the
हाँ, शायद ये म्याओ कर रही है.
and
वो मैं रात के लिए नहीं
Radha's
सोचती हूँ
talking.
यार.
Radha, आज दिन बहुत अच्छा था.
Yeah.
And Radha's like meow.
Yeah.
She's like
Yeah.
हाँ, गुस्सा आ गया. Yeah, exactly.
Like that. Yeah, that I don't wait for night, but it'll stay
So,
till
hi
late.
guys, I'm Divya from India Forums, and today I'm with the cast of Rita Sanyal. But there's a change. I am not going to introduce them because they are introducing themselves. As you can see their costumes.
Oh,
So you
yes,
guess
yes.
who they'll play, and the later you can see in the show. Welcome to India Forums.
Thank
You
you.
are playing. Who are you
I'm
playing?
playing a
I've
character
seen-
named
I've
Rajiv.
seen-
This before.
But I've seen this
Somewhere.
somewhere.
So,
It is written on my thing.
so firstly about the show, I know there's a lot of suspense. Even we don't know anything. We are waiting. But
We also don't know anything.
exactly.
We are also waiting.
So, but how was the overall experience when you got to know about this show? What was your first reaction and how did you approach it?
I was excited. I got to know it's 20 episodes,
Right.
which is a lot to do. But then that also means there's a lot to do, which is great. So we have 20 episodes to tell a story and many stories while that happens. So this is the story of Rita Sanyal and her adventures. She tries to solve crimes.
Yes.
She tries to solve a very important case for her life. She tries to make friends. She tries to not make enemies. And this is her quest to do all that. And in the way we have Ishan, who's played by me, who helps her out, and we have Jay, who's played by Ankur Rathi, who helps her out also.
Nice.
Very well put into a nutshell, lovely.
And how did you approach your role? Like, did you feel that there'll be something new and exciting? Did you went through a research process or something to learn about?
So it's, I like that this genre is called pulp fiction,
Yeah.
where everything is larger than life. And I've not done anything like that ever actually. So it seemed nice to be part of this universe. Every character is larger than life, but I liked कि हमारे director ने कहा कि सब normal acting करेंगे, but just the situations and the characters are larger than life. So I thought that balance was nice. Also, I play these different characters who have अलग-अलग look है, kind of unrecognizable. So वो मज़ा आया. And अलग accents है, एक हरियाणवी accent है, एक waitress है, एक prostitute है, एक food inspector है. तो I think audience को भी मज़ा आएगा. And there are so many characters in the show who are very exciting, and उनके
Yeah.
relationships सब है, comedy, drama, crime, romance, इतने handsome लड़के और हाँ.
आपने अपने किरदार को अप्रोच कैसे किया एंड डिड यू हैड टू रिसर्च अबाउट इट और समथिंग?
हाँ, देखो, इंस्पेक्टर का रोल कर रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा बहुत तो रिसर्च लगा ही है. लेकिन जैसे अदा ने कहा कि ये पल्प फिक्शन जॉनर में हम रियलिज्म से थोड़ा बाहर हम कदम ले सकते हैं. तो फॉर मी it's this set is very collaborative. There's a lot of room to play, a lot of liberty we can take. So I think oftentimes, just yesterday we were shooting a scene where, you know, the lines, you know, we kind of just added a little bit of masala here and there. We did a few things at the end of the scene, and we're constantly improvising and playing and trying to uplift what we've been given and bring these characters to life. So approach तो यही है कि हम अपने किरदारों को अच्छी तरह से जानें, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हम तीनों के बीच में जो रिश्ते हैं उनको भी प्रॉपर्ली हम समझें, तो फिर वो बिल्ड करना आसान हो जाता है.
True. On the same lines, I want to ask you now, if I ask three of you, how was your impression for each other on the first day and after the build-up and, you know, after shooting together, what is it currently? The first impression and the current impression, and उसमें difference है कि नहीं?
Oh. You want me to go?
Go for it, yeah.
I thought Ada was professional, reserved, but very professional, very good at her job,
Yes.
and experienced. I thought Manik was very talented, spontaneous, and very adaptive and easy to get along with.
Okay.
And I soon realized Manik is a train wreck. No, no, it's true about both of them. Except Ada is actually not so reserved. I think Ada, once you start working with her, once she kind of like opens up a little bit, then there's so much playfulness, as you saw, earlier before we started the interview. And Manik also, while he's like spontaneous and this and that, as I've gotten to work with him, he's super, super skilled in his craft. It's not just that he has great instincts as an actor, but he has great command over this craft. And so analyzing scenes with him and the both of them has been a pleasure.
Nice. She's thinking.
I'm in awe
That's
of how
a
you
very
put
nice
it. Yeah,
answer,
that's
yeah.
such a nice answer. I'm just in awe of him.
We can't follow that. You
We
next
can't
time let us
follow that up.
answer
Yeah,
first.
maybe because I think he's nice boy, like good boy, very nice acting, very good experience. And he went like so elaborate about the whole thing. Yeah, with these flowery.
Flowery, yeah.
Yeah, oh, that was lovely.
Oh, thank
just
you.
Put together also.
I try.
Yeah, everything he said, same to same.
Same to same.
same.
Copy paste
I
was
same to same, ditto.
Ditto.
But for each other also?
Yeah, same to same. He put so nice, beautiful.
Wait,
about
no,
me.
I want to know. I want to know
Yeah,
what
even
was your
yours.
first impression of me and
Yes.
yours. I'm actually curious now.
True.
About you. I don't really make first impressions of people when we don't know people like
That's
that. So I
not
keep
fair.
it kind of blank. You guys seem cool, chilled out.
I know.
guys.
I know your first impression was not like, oh, I hate him, but what was your first impression?
That we have to do that scene and then like, that scene has to be done. So I was just like, oh my god, these lines, these. I was too ulja hua and
The
all of that
shooting.
in those lines on the first few days. Now we've all become a little because those major things are also done.
What about you?
Like Ada said, I don't make first impressions unless I meet them. But I didn't see you in person. But when you were doing your shot, I saw you on the monitor, and I
sounds
saw
like
your
a love
character.
story.
It was
It
kind of-
sounds like a love thing, no? I didn't see you at first, but I saw you on the monitor.
हमारा actually काफी
It was
romance
really cool.
चलता है,
It was
off
really
screen
cool.
चलता है हमारा
It
romance.
was
A
really
little
cool
too much
because
happened.
I saw you doing your character because I didn't see Ankur Rati there, and then as soon as it was done, you came and you said hi, and it was a really nice. First, I saw who he's going to be, and then I saw who he is, and it was a really cool first impression because I never saw Ankur first. I first saw Jayavardhan.
Wow. That's a nice
Wow.
compliment. Thank you. It's very kind of you.
Honest.
Nice.
I don't know,
Although
I
I was-
met when I saw you first on that video call.
Yeah. We did some readings together.
some
before
reading
the
on
show
video.
started.
You didn't come on the because they said you're flying on plane or transit. huh?
Yeah, something.
He's not coming.
Transit में
huh?
उसको-
वो हवा- हवा
We
में-
will do those scenes. हाँ, do with so yeah.
हवा में उड़ रहा है तुम grounded रहो अपनी performance में grounded रहो
He's
जयवर्धन
not there,
पता नहीं
you
क्या
know.
बनाने वाला है वो
And you came on with some other name, which is not your own.
I was using my. I
But
wasn't
I
at my
didn't
friend's-
judge.
So we had to do we were doing a Zoom call. We had to do some lines, and I wasn't at home, but I still wanted to commit to the timing. It was 10 p.m. I'm like, yeah, fine. So some people are busy in the day. It's okay. I'll give my 10 p.m. Even though it's way past my bedtime, I'll do it. So I was at a friend's house. Way past my bedtime at a friend's house. It's not
10
believable.
o'clock is way past your bedtime. And why you at a friend's house way past your bedtime?
I know, why are you saying friend like that? Your
In his
friend's house?
office.
Yeah, I was in my friend's house, in my office,
Yeah, in his office.
shirtless.
So I took the call from my friend's
with no
laptop.
quotations there.
I took the call from my friend's laptop, and then
Friends.
they see that my name isn't my name. They're like, "Who the hell is this?" I said, "No, it's just my friend's laptop." So that's what.
I didn't judge that. My name was King Kong. I keep King Kong, so I didn't did.
I
thought
also
you
want
wanted
to look like
to
a Shantanu.
Okay, so
These
if
dudes,
you
right?
three had a WhatsApp group chat, what will the name be?
Of who?
If
Of
you
three of
yes.
us.
Sex inside.
Now you'll have to make that.
You can't say it here because no one will know what you're talking about. They think it's some sleaze
We'll
or
have to
something.
tag the
We have
other.
to tag the other interview on this interview. Sections of
Sections.
love, hearts, love, and we'll put colored hearts after that.
Let's see. What would be a good group name for us?
What do we do most on set when we're not?
Wait.
I guess we can call it waiting.
No.
Waiting dot 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 like typing dot 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 dot.
It should just be dot dot dot.
dot 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 dot. Yeah, we are giving you such nice answers,
Yes.
na?
You'll have to cut all of them.
So Ada, if you were hypothetically an invisible spy and you had to spy both of them for one day, what would you want to find out?
My dental hygiene.
Hygiene of his shiny teeth. And Manik, what do we want to find out about Manik?
थोड़ा मैं
I don't
germaphobe,
know.
no?
You told me you are. I didn't think.
I'm
I
not.
believe.
I'm
Yeah,
more
the thing is, he's
observant
told me a
than
few
he
things.
is.
But I don't know him really. I don't know who he is also.
Nobody knows.
I need to
मैं खुद
figure
नहीं
out.
जानता.
हाँ. So I just want to see what. Yeah.
Right.
He
I'd
does.
want to be, if I was an invisible,
Yes.
I'd want to be at
Morning.
Shantanu's house. See what
At
he's up
10
to
PM.
at 10 p.m. With Shantanu के घर पहुंच
And
जाता
what
था
will you find
मुझे.
out Ada?
Hmm?
If you are the detective,
Invisible.
one, what will you want to find out?
I'm gonna find out.
I want to know what she's like alone in her room. Like, I have a feeling, I just found out before this interview, इसकी कोई बिल्ली है ना,
Yes.
अदा की
We all know
राधा.
Radha.
वो तो
yes.
alone room में
तो
नहीं
मैं
है.
आई डोंट नो, मेरा इमेजिनेशन ऐसे चले जैसे सारे मतलब रात हो गई है, तुम्हारी मम्मी भी सो गई है, तू कमरे में है, तू बस अपनी बिल्ली से, अपनी पिल्लो वाली बिल्ली से बात कर रही
और
है.
वो
शांत
बात
हो
नहीं
ना.
करती, बस she meows at the
हाँ,
Oh my god.
शायद ये म्याओ कर रही है.
And
वो मैं रात के लिए
and
नहीं
Radha's
सोती हुई
talking.
है.
Radha, आज दिन बहुत अच्छा था.
Yeah.
And Radha's like, meow.
Yeah.
she's like
Yeah.
हाँ, गुस्सा आ गया. Yeah, exactly.
Like that. Yeah, that I don't wait for night, but that happens in the day also.
Okay.
Lovely, guys. I love your on-screen bonding and the off-screen as well. So now I'll jump to the game, and
This wasn't a
This
game.
wasn't the game.
Okay.
so I'll give you cues, 3 or 4 words describing the film, and you have to guess which film is that. First one is amnesia, revenge, tattoo.
Gajni.
Talash.
He's right.
I just heard.
Second is courtroom, justice, rape, lawyer.
So many pink,
Pink.
and all.
Pink में
हाँ.
कहना था, yeah.
Damini also.
Yeah, you can.
I mean, every
Yes,
like
yes,
so many.
yes, why not?
The third one is partition, romance.
Gadar.
Oh,
खत्म तो मैंने इसलिए सकता था.
हाँ.
but he
These
said
are-
it right.
Imagine तलाश भी मिल जाता मुझे.
No, sorry.
But आगे I was gonna say hand pump, which would give it.
हाँ.
The next is very easy. Cricket, British.
लगान.
Lagan.
Hero, villain, dance, suicide.
ABCD.
बाजीगर.
ABCD
wait, let us
has
think.
hero, villain, dance, and that boy commits suicide.
So there's.
Go again.
By the way,
Say it
you've just described 50% of Hindi films. Hero,
But
villain,
ABCD
suicide, and
But the film,
dance.
the core of the film is this. I'll add one more thing. Holy.
Holy.
Say it
ABCD.
again.
Hero, villain, dance, suicide, holy.
ABCD.
Sholay.
Yes.
Why not ABCD? They're playing
Dance?
that holy song also in ABCD.
Come on, dude. Come on. हार गए ना तुम.
I'm
fair
ABCD. I know.
Next.
ABCD is not iconic enough to make this list. Oh, so sorry.
It is not
No, come on. Even
Yes,
it's
yes.
not Sholay level iconic.
iconic films. These are only, but ABCD dance icon. No, dance
Maybe.
also.
I'll
She's
give it to you.
Yes.
ऐसे कैसे give it to you? जीत रहा हूँ मैं.
Yeah.
The next is magician, revenge, heist, and
Doom
brothers. Oh wow, he's
Dhoom,
Who
dhoom,
are
dhoom.
you?
Yes, dhoom, dhoom, dhoom.
Who are you today?
The person who gets the right answer.
Okay.
The next is sports, father, coach.
Oh, Chuck the India?
Iqbal.
Sports?
Father, coach.
ऐसे तो बहुत हैं यार.
Yeah.
एक और वर्ड है वो मैं डालूंगी तो
एक second. Give us 1 more minute. Not 1 minute.
What is
You
the
say it
sport?
Then she'll will
It's a
get it.
sport
Oh,
film. Sport. Father is the coach.
Buddy
Oh,
or buddy?
दबंग. नहीं वो आमिर खान वाली और फातिमा शेख.
Yes, yes.
क्या है?
Dangal.
दंगल.
So I get that right because I said it.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, cool.
Why not? Diya.
Violin, rules, love.
Guzarish.
Violent rules.
Violin.
Violence.
मोहब्बतें.
Yes.
My man.
Why not Guzarish? No.
Violent. गुजारिश में. Oh हाँ, correct.
Rules क्या था गुजार?
Rules क्या थे?
Didn't they have that?
परंपरा.
प्रतिष्ठा.
अनुशासन.
Anushasan.
अनुशासन.
Close.
Next is revenge, twins, long lost twins,
Duplicate.
and action.
The Whom is another. There are so many revenge.
Duplicate. Oh, कहो ना प्यार है.
Yes. He's good.
Do me a favor, let's play
And-
Holi. I know, but it's been in my head ever since she said Holi. She said Sholay.
You just
When
wanted
she
to
said
say it.
Holi, I was like, do me a favor. I was just thinking of Anu Malik the whole time.
And the last one, trip, jealousy.
Dil chahta hai.
No.
Zindagi milegi na dobara.
Zindagi milegi na
I should guess before the clues because
Ah,
with the clues I'll only get it wrong.
It's like Jeopardy,
I think
yaar. You
I've,
just have to hit the damn.
Yeah,
buzzer.
I'm not going to listen only to clues.
But all of
Finish.
you.
That's.
We're
I
all-
don't know.
In the
No, we're not
game
ending
of
this interview.
life-
Who won?
Yeah.
Yeah. And who's
I think
second?
Manik. Second, you.
Yeah.
In the game of life
But in the
and
game
love,
of life and in the game of Rita Sanyal,
love
she is number
I
one.
has many
In the game of love, you definitely win.
in the game of love with all the hearts that we have is
You're number one.
So lastly, the Rita Sanyal message for the fans.
Rita Sanyal.
streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar.
Free on mobile.
Coming
Coming soon.